This video is a tutorial of how do you sign up in WeChat without using a QR code. To be able to log into your WeChat without a QR code is pretty simple. You need to open the WeChat app on your phone, then press login, then you should opt for mobile number login. This way you will not use any QR code for logging in. After that is enter your registered phone number and password. You might get a verification code sent via SMS to confirm your login. So using WeChat ID or email, you can also use your email or ID if you have an existing account in order to log into your account. And if you don't have password, then tap the forget password on the login screen. Follow the steps prompt to reset your password via your link phone number or email.